So okay students, so what we have learned from today's topic or today's discussion: diversity. What is diversity? The different form of life on earth is called the diversity. It is very vast and it has two major questions: that what living is as opposed to the non-living, and second one is the what is the purpose of life is. The second term is what is living. So the living beings shows the following characteristics: the growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization, and the consciousness. The characteristics which have no exceptions is called the defining properties, whereas the metabolism, cellular organization, and consciousness, they all comes under defining properties, whereas growth and reproduction has some exceptions, so they are considered as the non-defining properties. What is growth? The increase in the mass or the size of a tissue or an organism or its parts, it is called the growth. This growth is permanent or irreversible. It has two major factors: intrinsic one and the extrinsic one. Intrinsic is held inside the body, where extrinsic occurs outside the body. In intrinsic, it is occur in both plants and animals, whereas extrinsic occurs mostly in the non-living beings. Intrinsic is of two types. First, in which the growth occurs throughout the lifespan. For example, in plants grows throughout whole of their life, whereas in animals, at some instant of time, the growth stop, but under the inside the body, some cells are still growing, such as the blood cells and the cells which get lost due to some injury and all, so that is replaced by the new one. Fine. So this we call the growth. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now I am giving you the worksheet. These are the questions. First is what is biology. I have already explained you what is biology. Second one is what is biodiversity. Third, what are the different defining properties of a living organism? What do you understand by the living? And list its characteristics for the living organism. Only you have to list their characteristics. You do not need to define them. Fine. And the last, write a short note on the growth and its type. Fine. So first of all, you all just go through the whole video, go through the whole reading of the chapter, then answer the following question by your own without seeing in the book, and then after send your work to me on your WhatsApp. I'll check it, and if you have any query regarding it, or if you have any confusion regarding any topic, I'll solve it. Okay. So thanks to all of you and have a nice day.